Hey there, grape grower. This is Fritz Westover with Virtual Viticulture Academy and your host at the Vineyard Underground podcast. I've got a question that came from the field today. I'm going to share with you from Chad from Illinois. And Chad has a question about pruning, which comes up a lot with some of my growers I work with here. And I just want to go ahead and share what his question is, because his question was about this specific scenario he's seeing in his vineyard where he is growing what we see here in the arrow as a cordon from last year. So it was a cane that was laid down last year. And in the spring, a late spring freeze came along and it killed a lot of the buds that were on that new cane that was laid down. So even though this is 2-year-old wood here that was laid down now, we don't see any of the shoots that push from the bud positions. So we have basically no spur positions on that wood. What's fortunate is that Chad got a bunch of canes or shoots that push during the season from below the fruiting wire, and those will offer a ideal candidate for replacing the cordon that failed. So in Chad's instance here, this is a picture of one half of one vine. He's double trunking his vine because he's in a cold climate, and this variety is Marechal Foch. And so what I'm advising is done here is he can go in, and I'll just go ahead and draw a red line here where a cut could be made on this here. We can go in and make a cut, for example, here, leaving a little bit of a stub of space here on the wood. And in green, I can show you where Chad would take this cane, bring it straight up to the wire, bend it onto the wire, and lay it down, let's say about 5 to 7 buds of length. So this cane right here is going to be moved up to the wire. That's going to become our new cordon. We're going to grow shoots from that this year. And those shoots that we grow will become our future spur positions. Notice all we have to do now is wait and see if we have any late spring freezes to see if Chad can make it through this year without missing any spots on his future cordon. So as we know in viticulture, sometimes we have the best intentions for things to go well. We call it kind of a 2 steps forward, 1 step back in some cases, where we have to go back and redo a permanent wood structure to ensure that we have the most fruitful positions and the best case scenario for an economic return. So I hope you've enjoyed this question from the field. If you have any other questions, or if you want to see more videos and content, pruning, or any other topic on grape growing, check out virtualviticultureacademy.com and go to the grower guide page and check out the Vineyard Underground podcast wherever you get your podcast. Ciao, ciao.